Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore research notes using Obsidian backlinks, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by launching Obsidian on your device. Open the vault containing your research notes. Navigate to the note you wish to restore. Locate the backlinks pane, usually found on the right side of the interface. If the backlinks pane is not visible, enable it by clicking on the icon resembling a chain link. Carefully examine the list of backlinks for potential connections to other notes. Click on each backlink to review its content and context. Identify notes that contain relevant information related to your research. Open those notes to see if they provide data you can incorporate into your restoration process. Utilize the search functionality to find specific keywords or phrases from your research notes. Incorporate key insights from the backlinks into the original note you are restoring. As you gather information, take the time to reorganize any disjointed content. Consider creating a new note if the reorganized information becomes too extensive. Link this new note back to the original note using the internal linking feature. Use hashtags or tags to categorize the information for easier retrieval. Once you've restored the note, review it for clarity and coherence. Save your changes and update the backlinks as necessary. Finally, regularly back up your vault to prevent future data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.